What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO and a very special video because you may notice if you're on your computer, click with your mouse and drag, or if you're on your phone, click with your finger and drag on the touchscreen, and you should be able to look around the entire car. In fact, you should be able to turn the camera and see me right now. This is because this is being filmed on my new camera, which is the Insta 360X3. So this is a bit of an experiment really, but I really wanted to make a video where you guys could look around the entire car and join me on a drive. I've mounted the camera here, so it should feel like you're actually in the passenger seat, and you should be able to look all the way around, even in the back of the car. So yeah, let's go for a drive and let's experience it. And if you're curious to how I filmed this and the camera I'm using, it's the Insta 360X3, and you can check the description below in the video, and I'll have a link right there so you can read all about this camera if you're interested just how I made this hopefully incredible video. So let's go for a drive. Roads are wet, we're going to go in race mode. I want to take you for a sporty drive, of course, so yeah, let's do this. Right, so we need to pull out of here first, so let's do that. Indicators on. Currently in comfort mode. Have a good look around the car, have a look at the MBUX. The possibilities of this camera are just amazing because I can pop this in any car, exciting new Mercedes AMGs, and I can show you all the infotainment. We can do interior tours, exterior tours, but let's just test it now with a drive with me style video. So let's go into race mode on these wet and fun roads. Should be very interesting being in the 360 view following along with me, but we do have to be careful not to go too fast around these bends because it's very wet, as hopefully you can see. But I hope you like being next to me in the passenger seat. And guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this style of video, because if, oh, there's a dangerous overtake. Good job I got my brakes. Let's just overtake someone on a blind hill. Anyway, yeah, guys, if you like this video, let me know in the comments, because I can do so many more of these. The possibilities are endless with these amazing cameras. Right, we've got a cyclist here. Pro tip, don't overtake a cyclist at the blind hill like that car did with the other car. That's all right, he's looking back to check. I don't mind, he's going up a steep hill, it's hard work. He's got some fantastic socks though. Of course, you can move the camera and look at the cyclist and we can talk about his fantastic socks. Now the downside is we've got a car in front of us now. We should probably just go around. I was too distracted by his lovely socks. Oh, can you hear those upshifts in race mode with the, yeah, it sounds good. Maybe it's a good thing we got this car in front of us because the roads are quite wet and I do get excited in this car in race mode. Maybe this is a good opportunity now while we're behind this car to pop the car into comfort mode and just kind of show you some of the cool screens. I mean, you can already see that. Oh, never mind, he's turning in. Race mode. We will do that though, I will show you the menus and stuff, perhaps in another video unless we get stuck behind traffic. But again guys, I just wanted you to experience race mode with me in this car, in this amazing 360 view. We're on the country roads, the trees are falling, the leaves are falling off the trees, which adds further slip because if you go on a bunch of leaves, you could lose traction. Now it does feel a little bit slippy, but I'm very confident in the 4MATIC Plus system in this car. Yeah, we'll be able to do all sorts of drives. We'll be able to do drives in the rain, in the snow perhaps if it snows. We're really going all out on the POV style drives this year. It really rained this morning, so the roads are really damp. You can definitely feel it, at least when you're pushing it in the sportier drive modes like race. Because the CLA45s just wants to keep giving power. Right, so what we'll do, we'll turn around here and then we'll go back. And that's it really. I just wanted to give you guys a little preview of the 360-degree camera. Hopefully we can do lots of different AMGs and I can take you on board on all different types of cars. So, you know, super excited about these cameras. I really hope it comes out well and you guys enjoy it. So make sure you let me know. You can have a look at the reverse camera now as well, which is super handy. Right, the road is ours. That was about 60% throttle. We'll have to do some videos with the paddle shifters as well, because I love driving this car in manual mode, and that would be great from a 360 point of view for people that often don't use their paddles, because I can kind of show you guys how I use them myself and how much fun you can have with them once you get used to them. Cyclist there seems to probably got a puncture or something. They always help each other out, cyclists. So many cyclists on the road today though. Oh, that was our friend with his nice bright socks. Again guys, I am taking it easy because it is very wet. And obviously race mode is the most extreme mode. Still have all the little toys and the traction control, you know, all the safety features of course. Can switch them off, but I'm not going to, not in these conditions. But if you are interested in seeing and learning more about the toys and traction control, I do have a full video of me doing an AMG track day experience with this car with a professional AMG instructor. That was loads of fun and I learned so much about this car and just left loving it even more. Right, we're going to pull in here now. Oh, I love those downshifts. Oh, so that was good fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope that you got the full VR experience sitting next to me in the car. Love that you can upload these onto YouTube. Hopefully it's come out really, really well. And yeah, if you like this video guys, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely make more of them.